In today's video, we're going to discuss one of the most popular weight loss techniques, intermittent fasting. This method of eating has taken the world by storm, and it's not difficult to see why. In this video, we'll be highlighting 7 benefits of intermittent fasting that will help you lose weight and improve your overall health. 1. Helps in reducing body fat. Are you struggling to lose weight? Intermittent fasting could be the solution you need. It works by reducing insulin levels, increasing human growth hormone, and boosting your metabolism. By restricting your eating window, your body will tap into its fat stores for energy instead of glucose. This can result in a reduction of body fat, especially around the belly. 2. Improves blood sugar levels. Intermittent fasting can help in improving blood sugar levels by reducing insulin resistance. When you fast, your body releases stored glucose, and over time, your body becomes more sensitive to insulin, resulting in better blood sugar control. This benefit is especially helpful for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those who are at risk of developing the condition. 3. Enhances brain function. Do you want to improve your cognitive abilities? Intermittent fasting can help. Research suggests that this method of eating can increase the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which is a protein that supports brain health. Additionally, it may also increase the growth of new nerve cells, which can help in improving memory and concentration. 4. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation can lead to a variety of health problems, including chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Intermittent fasting has been found to reduce inflammation levels in the body, which can help in preventing the development of these diseases. 5. Boosts immune system. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve the functioning of the immune system by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. By doing so, it can help in preventing the occurrence of diseases and infections. 6. Saves time and money. Intermittent fasting is not just great for your health, but it can also help you save time and money. Since you'll be eating fewer meals, you'll be spending less time on meal prep and cooking. Additionally, you'll be spending less money on groceries, which can help in reducing your overall food expenses. 7. Promotes longevity. Last but not least, intermittent fasting has been linked to increased longevity. By reducing oxidative stress, inflammation, and insulin resistance, it can help in preventing the development of age-related diseases, ultimately leading to a longer, healthier life. So there you have it, 7 amazing benefits of intermittent fasting that can help you lose weight, improve your health, and live longer. Remember, intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all approach, and it's essential to speak with your doctor before starting this method of eating. But if done correctly, it can be a powerful tool in achieving your health and fitness goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.